Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna do a quick walk in the back streets of Umeda. A lot of bars and restaurants around here. It's gonna take a nice just take a quick stroll down here. There's a lot of shady on this side there's a lot of shady stuff going down. Y'all looked at me all weird. I think this is the more shady. Girl Smile. 70 minutes, 2,500. I think I'm on the wrong end of the club lady. See this street here? Don't give me looks. Let's have some bars over here. So I'm not sure what kind of services they're offering, but look at this Chinese restaurant. Alright. Yeah, this street right here is where they all have the shady stuff going down. Karaoke place. City Navigator. What a cool restaurant. It's Chinese food. This is a cool back alley. Whoa, raw egg. This place looks pretty good. And then some services. And that's it. So I think that's how they get away with stuff. They say City Navigator information place, but it's actually giving out other types of information. Oh, I think there's a lot of Chinese restaurants here. It's really busy. Alright. Should we go this way? We'll go this way real quick. I've been down this street many times. 40 minutes of I don't know. Wow. I think I've showed this place many times. Look at this new restaurant. It's a Korean restaurant. Oh, fried chicken. Looks pretty cool. It's really busy. Public stand. Oh, Korean restaurant. Oh, there's a Korean restaurant. Nobody's really inside. Another place. Should we go in this way? Just walk around. Okay. This is where they have all the love hotels. So I'm not sure if they're correlated with those girls in the front. Like you can get food in your love hotel. But there's a bunch of love hotels here. Yeah, I'm not sure if you yeah, the girls that we just saw, those girls are for, you buy drinks with them, so you have to pay money if you want to get a drink with them, and you got to pay for their drinks. These love hotels, I'm not sure who comes to these places. But, oh, look at this place. What is this? What's this? Gyoza? Some sort of club. Gyoza. Whoa, there's a bar in there. I don't know what they're charging per hour. So we just made a full circle. A cool little bar. Look at this. Nobody's inside. Another hotel. Yeah, I've made a video about this before too, but I think I came in the daytime. But on the back end of Umeda, that's where all the shady stuff happens. Let me walk through this small street here. Look at all these bikes. Whoa. I mean, these bikes are probably people just coming by here. Look at all these cool small restaurants. Whoa, they have a Christmas sign. I wonder if they just put that up. With this cool bike. Another love hotel, I think. It's massive. Okay. Should we go this way? Whoa. So busy. Every one of these restaurants are packed. Except for this one. Nobody wants sushi. There's some people in here actually. Oh, look at that cool bike. Oh, look at that cool bar inside. A lot of cool lights. There's some sort of Korean restaurant there. Is it a restaurant or a shady place? Oh, cool. Oh, that's awesome. It's a Korean restaurant. One person eating ramen. sushi place. Another play information. Okay. Some sort of live music in here. I don't know what that is. What's this? Look at this. Rich doll. What is this place? Lower Flower Angel. Look at this darts bar. There's nobody in there. Alright, I think this is where the male host bars are. There's one right here. Uh-oh, looking at me. Club Umeda. Okay. All right, that was an eye full of stuff. Maybe we should walk some more this way and see if they have anything else going on. Got like this drugstore going on over here. We have some hotels. This area is pretty massive. There's so many restaurants and bars here, and it's also the business district, so there's a lot of people eating and drinking right after work, and people work on Saturdays. I've been inside here looking for a toilet. They got a Saizeriya here and this other place. Oh, these taxis. Alright. Should go down a little bit more. Fine. Just one street down over. So I've been just kind of walking in and out of this area. This is kind of more on the back side of Umeda, and so there's a lot more shady stuff around here, like those girls standing outside, and love hotels, and a DVD store. Alright, we're gonna cross this street once it turns green. I'm just walking. Oh, look at that Maybach. Dang. Baller. Alright, let's walk down this street. A lot of just people just standing around. All right, there's some more love hotels. Let's check it out, what it is. I think that's a love hotel as well. Hotel Francesca. What do you get here? What is this? Foreigner man. Get some anime stuff. There's no prices. Guess not. I think there's a lot of young couples around here. There was just one couple that just walked in there was hiding. This girl was hiding behind her man. Let's check this out. What is this? Some sort of shop. Ramen shop. Alright. Where the heck am I? So many love hotels. Whoa. There's one over there. Which way should I go? I'll go this way. Look at what this love hotel has. Dang, that's a party right there. You know what I'm saying? 2,500 for 60 minutes. For an hour. Oh no, no. Gaijin. Oh, Daigoku. No, no Japanese sex. That guy asked me if I wanted to have Japanese sex. It's funny guy. I almost spat out my I just spat out because I was laughing so hard. I just told him I'm a foreigner, and then he's like, Japanese sexu. I was like, oh no, no Japanese sexu. All right, is that it? All right. Oh, look at that. Making some meat over there. Alright, I think that's it. Alright, hope you enjoyed watching this video. It was a little bit weird, and I wasn't coming out here to look for these shady things. I just kind of walked right into it. I'm actually going to the grocery store right now, but I can't find it, so I just walked through this area, and it's very interesting. It is also a Saturday night, so I hope you enjoyed watching that. I hope that was interesting for you, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.